come to my mind. Like how could a man lay down his life just to save mine? Who would have thought that the Messiah would lay down his life on the line just to save mankind? You came and you changed my life. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You came now I sing and shout. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my God. I got you out there, oh yeah, alright. With you in my life, I don't say everything sweet like fire. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You changed my life. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You came now I sing and shout. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my God. Nobody can take me away from your love, from your love. Nobody can take me away. Nobody can take me away from your love, from your love. Signs and wonders, miracles around us, all the signs that follow me, 'cause I'm walking in your perfect will for me, yeah. Blind eyes are opened, broken hearts are mended, it's evident for all to see. It is you that's working in me and through me, yeah. Signs and wonders follow me. Signs and wonders all around. Signs and wonders, I'm walking. Signs and wonders all around. Signs and wonders follow me. Signs and wonders all around. Signs and wonders, I'm walking. Signs and wonders all around. I'm walking signs and wonders, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm walking signs and wonders, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The lame walk, the blind see, the deaf hear, the dumb speak. These signs follow me, yeah, these signs follow me. Your word, my anchor, with you I need not other. Many things will try to sway, but I'm grounded in your love. So in your bosom I will lay my God. As long as I lay right here, I'm in your perfect will for me. where they flee. They can't always stand His glory. No. Signs and wonders follow me. Signs and wonders all around. Signs and wonders. I'm looking. Signs and wonders all around. Signs and wonders follow me. Signs and wonders all around. Signs and wonders. 'Cause I'm looking. Signs and wonders all around. I'm walking signs and wonders. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm walking signs and wonders. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The lame walk, the blind see, the deaf hear, the dumb speak. These signs follow me, yeah, these signs follow me. I'm walking signs, see, no weapon formed against me now. I'm walking signs, see, these signs follow me, these signs follow me. No weapon formed against me. In my name they shall cast out devils, yeah. And this sign shall follow them that believe, yeah. In my name they shall cast out devils, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Before the world began, the darkness roamed the land. My God, you knew my name, you had a plan for me. So I trust in your will and in your way, oh God, 'cause I know that you have a plan. You see the way before me. So how could I worry about what may come, about what may come? No worries about what I face. So how could I worry about what may come, about what may come? No worries about what I face. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. I will not worry, 'cause I got you, God my King. I will not worry, 'cause I know you got me steady, and I know you never leave me solo.
Hello, hello, what's up, chat? Happy Tuesday, everybody. How you guys doing? Shout out to 5 viewers right now. Let me see what's in the chat here. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat. Come on.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who at first brought me and my mom's, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church, and I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer, but Jermaine was always the drummer, so I never became the drummer or whatever. But I
What's up, chat? What's up,
and I became
everybody?
a member
Good
of
morning.
believers
How you guys
community at the
doing?
church. And after I went a few times,
How's everybody's doing? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Oh, we closed bearish yesterday. Damn. Holy. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? All right, let's do the top down here. Let's do the top down. All right, let's start with the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, as you can see, we closed bearish, right? Bearish, I'd say doji, right? But this candle, we have a new resistance form on this candle. And right now, as you can see, this current candle are starting to, fill the wick on the left hand side. We still bullish, heavy bullish here on price. And weekly candle, yeah, the weekly, I believe we flip together with the daily, but there is a high chance, because we have a huge reactions on the daily time frame. So let's see if we're gonna have potentials at least, to move down to retest this low once again, because right now we retest the high, right? We retest the resistance on 5,100 area. On the 4-hour time frame, you have our new resistance form. The previous resistance is here, and as you can see, we move a lot yesterday. We move how many pip? 1,113 pip move yesterday. Holy! On the late candle volume, it's around 10 p.m. Dubai time. This 4-hour candle, right? Good morning, Jagna. How you doing? Um, 1 hour. So the 1 hour, as you can see, we have resistance here, and the candles move heavily yesterday. A late candle volume, 1,100 pip move. So support on the hourly candle, as you can see, we have a support form right here. We have a next support right here, and right now we are in the range one. This is gonna be a range two, and let's see on dropping down to the 30 minutes time frame. So the 30, yeah, we have structure that we need to be aware of, resistance here, and I'd say yeah, support here, and at least we have a clean traffic to move down. Yeah, we have a 156 pip move. Let's see on the 15 how we gonna look on the price. Okay, so it's gonna be an interesting here, resistance form right here. All right. Let's see if we gonna if we might have a potential for the day. So yeah, this is gonna be my level so far. So as you can see, 30 minutes support and 15 minutes support too. So yeah, any closure, we got some 177 pip to move down. Let's see if we can grab this potential closure below 5081, 5080 probably. All right. So, yeah, this is going to be the levels. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Shout out to 6 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning, Kenneth. How you doing? Good morning, everybody. How's everybody's doing? No news today, gang. No news. All right. So we have minor folders here, but there's no news. Cool. What's up, Brace? How you doing? How's everybody's doing? Shout out to 16 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing? If you're having any questions, let me know in the chat. Make sure you drop a like, subs to the channel. 4 minutes for candle to close. London's gonna be open at 12 p.m. Dubai time. Dun. Who got the trades already this morning, gang? Who took some buys? Who took some sells? W. Good day, bro. Market is crazy nowadays. 100 is no joke for 5 minute candle. Yeah. So, man. But let's see next month if this market condition is the same next month, man, it's gonna be a crazy year. Okay, because of this move, as you can see on the daily, because of the gaps, this run by fundamentals, not technicals. It's fundamental move. It's all about geopolitical something and war happening right now. But I believe, this should be, the next one, this price actions should be fine, should be remain like last year, because this move on gold, man, I don't see this before. 2,000, 3,000 pif move in a day. Holy, that was, that was not that was not like before. But right now, man, we need to adapt, right? We need to adapt on what's the markets print us. We need to adapt. So I believe right now you guys need to be more, disciplined. You need to be more steady. You guys need to be more composed in terms of waiting for the right setup to come, because 100 pip stops, 80 pip stops is no joke. And for me, I lowering my risk right now because of this kind of, volume, and the stops is quite big. Before, when I start streaming, my stop, I use minimum 30 pips, and maximum is 40, 45 pips until 50 pips. But right now it's 60, 70, 80 pips. So yeah. If you are risking still the same, bro, I mean, that's you. It's Trump versus the world war. See, as you can see, only gold, silver moves. BTC is not moving. As you can see right now, right? BTC is still on the support levels on the price on the daily, but I believe this BTC will move. Crypto will move. Probably, I don't know, maybe next month. but this crypto will move because Trump support cryptocurrency, and as far as I know, man, Dubai is holding crypto too. So all of the countries holding crypto, this crypto currency will move. Good price here, 88K. And 15 also create many fake. Yeah. So right now, man, you need. I mean, for me, I'm not jumping into 50 minutes time frame. I always look for 15 and 30. If it's correlate, I'm gonna take a trade. But if not, I'm not gonna touch anything. I also gonna wait right now for market structure. Let's say um we wanna take sales. I need confirmation that this 15 should close below. And now we're gonna look on the 30 how the candle's gonna look like. So the 30 will close below. So it's valid right now because we have a clean traffic to move down. So that's gonna be the probability. Right? So right now, man, no bottom wick. Oh, it looks like ugly. See, look at that. Would you look at that? Shout out to 70 viewers. Gang, make sure you like the stream here. Like the stream, subs to the channel. If you want to follow me on IG, link is in description below for more trading content. Mhm. Doo. Any questions? Let me know in the chat. All right, 8 minutes for candle to close. Hourly open. Oh, if the hourly, the 15 minutes candle close here, like this, it's gonna be an interesting candle because the hourly candle is rebroking the previous candle low. This one. Can we look at the four? Yeah, the four is flipping bearish. And right now, it's makes sense because we tap the resistance on the 4 hour time frame. Right? So once you tap that, as you can see, we're flipping bearish. Daily, yeah. Let's see how this 15 candle close. If this 15 minutes candle close, yeah, 79 pip stops, or we can use the current candle high. We can use this high as a resistance. I mean, as a stops, and then flip bearish. Gang, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Sing, how you doing? Long time, brother. I'm doing great and highly favored, bro. Doing good. How about you, gang? How about you? How's the trading? How's the journey? How's the trading journey, brother? Oh, good, yeah. Blessings, G. Blessings. Gold is going down to 5,000 or going up. Right now, nobody knows if the gold is gonna go 5K. Nobody knows because we're sitting here right now. We're adapting the price. Where's the price gonna move? That's why the potential for me for taking sales is closure below 5080. But anything here is just a waiting time. That's how we cannot it if your strategy tells you that the gold is going down to 5K, yeah, it's going down. It's all about probabilities. We cannot say, oh, gold is gonna go down to 5K. No, we cannot. We're just here to adapt and wait. That's trading. That's trading. You cannot say, oh, gold is going up to 5,500 today. No. As a trader, our job here is to wait. You know, our job is here is to wait, and our decisions will pay, right? Our decisions will make profit. That's trading. It's not all about, oh, gold is going down, I'm gonna take sales. No, you need to follow. You need to have a concrete system. You need to have a concrete plan, enable for you to succeed, right? So you need to have a plan, you need to have a strategy, so and so. It's too many things in trading that you need to learn. If you are a beginner, you need to understand that you need to learn the strategy. You need to learn the craft. You need to learn the skill. It's not you're not just you're gonna jump in the one trade and you should with the kuda na, you're going to buys, you're going to sales without any probabilities. So yeah, your decision will make profit here. It's not just you're predicting the price. Yes, we're predicting the price. Where's the price gonna head? But you need the confirmation, candle per candles. No indicators will help you to say is that, oh, the price is gonna go to 4K. The price is gonna go to 6,000. No, you just now you watch the pricing. Just now you see the gold pushing up. I believe it's already a month. It's already yeah, and the monthly candle is about to close and will move 8,000 pip in a month. Holy, this monthly candle, it's a big candle. This is the first candle that moves 8,000 pip, I believe. We have here. Which year is this? It's 1979. Look at that. Oh, it's just 3,000 pip. Holy. Right? See, look at that. This is the first candle that moved 8K. Would you look at that? Right? The past 4K and January is crazy. Move 8,070 pip. Holy. Yeah, everyone is shocked too. I'm not familiar with this kind of volume, with this kind of gaps in here. I don't have any knowledge about this, but you need we need to adapt. We need to adapt. It's busy from last week. Yeah. So no trades for you, huh? No trades yet. Yeah, tricky time these days, but I believe probably next one it will go back to normal condition. Hopefully, it will go back to normal condition next month because man, excuse me. I believe too many people has been clap here buying and selling gold. Too many people lose money. No trade saying nice W. I only take only 4 trades on the stream, and I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. Man, only 8 trades this month. Would you look at that? I'm up 188 pips. And I probably gonna wait for another withdrawal in FTMO. Would you look at that? So I'm up almost 3K. I just withdrew last January 21 2K. And right now I'm up, bro. I'm up. So 8 days remaining for this withdrawal. So yeah, probably gonna wait or lowering my size should be 0.5 or 0.3% per trade. I wanna secure something. I wanna secure this account. So yeah. That's gonna be, a consistent and I'm about to scale in. They will scale me too on this account. They will scale me for another 25%. So I made already 11,500 something, 11,400, and they about to scale me next month or March to, yeah. So yeah. So should be consistent 4 months consistency of profitable. You need to be profitable on 4 months and they will scale you off. So yeah. Gang, this not happen overnight. It's 2 years of being alone, being lonely, being hopeless. 2 years of grinding, bro. Following the same plan every single day. Following the same plan every single day. And don't compare, I never compare myself to another. I always, inspired because I know I'm gonna be there. I know I'm gonna be like Raja Banks, be a successful trader to a Filipino successful trader here in Dubai. I'm gonna be there. I'm the one. I'm gonna be front of them having a podcast and all stuff. I know I'm gonna be. I know my direction. What does it mean? Scaling, they will add, I believe, 25% once you being, proof that you're being consistent. They will scale, they will add 25% of your capital. Hard work pays your one example. Thanks for sharing value every day. No problem, bro. Thank you, gang. Thank you. Thanks to you guys. It doesn't matter if you are in profit or in your drawdown, man, the process remains the same. Right? You know that you're gonna be on the direction that you want. Just keep working, you know. Of course, Reese, you're gonna be a funded trader too. You're going to be a funded trader too. No worries. I'm here. I'm guiding you. So yeah. You just need to be patience. You know, patience is the key. Consistency is the key. Discipline. But when you have a discipline, when you have a patience, you know, it's a muscle memory, you know. Because you train already your brain, you train already your brain. So it will come automatically. It's a process of, you know, taking time. You just need to wait for the time to absorb everything. Because some of the people, you know, some of the trader, they just wanna, you know, show you a profit, but they're not making profit. They're just, you know, sitting there showing you a screenshot, but that's not true. You know, that's not true profit. And some of the trader, they just want to make money, and in a day they can blow their account in just 5 to 10 minutes because they hasn't built any skill yet. But when you have the skill, when you know the right thing, when you know the right system, you're not gonna blue account. Right now I haven't blue an account for, you know, I believe 1 year already. Right? That's, you know, it's all about the process. It's all about taking time. During your first 1 year trading, it's okay. It's all pain, you know. You need to grab, you need to shoulder the pain. It's really painful. You just gonna think, oh, I'm alone, you know, I'm losing hope. I don't have enough money to buy a funded. I don't have any money to fund my account. It's okay. You know, you need to work. And make sure, gang, you always learn every single day. You know, you always learn from the trade, from yourself. You know that you are leveling up every single day, showing the best version of yourself, right? You always show up every single day, best version of yourself. With was that retrospective? How did you lose your account? What is because it's too big, not the stop loss, how to recover. So yeah, I'm doing that before, Jagna. I'm not putting stop loss, I'm over trading, I'm over risking. You need so those bad habits you need to remove on yourself. You need to remove that in your mind. If you, let's say you have $1,000 account, you always gonna ask yourself every single trade how much you're going to lose, right? Because the profit, you cannot say the profit, I need to make $150 in a trade. No, you cannot. But on losing, how much you can lose in a trade. So you need to adapt to that situation. That in a trade, if I have $1,000 account, I need to lose at least a $30 or $50 maximum in a trade. Because if you lose $50, that should be 5% of the capital, right? So at least those 5%, you need to lose at least three trades in able for you to lose $50, right? So you need to you calculate your risk in those particular dollar, right? Makes sense. So yeah, that's how you're gonna and recover. You need to recover by just following your rules, following the plan every single day, and it takes time. I'm very sorry, but it takes time. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of time. That's trading. That's trading. All right, 1 minute and 30 seconds here for candle to close. We might have potential here. Let's see if we're gonna close bearish here on the 30. 30 looks nice. 15 looks nice too. But we need the closure. We need closure. We need a top wick here. So we can use current candle. Current candle stop. Oh, Goldie, don't move like that. Goldie. We need a top wick, Goldie. Oh, damn. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Damn, no bottom wick too. Oh, there is. All right. Move down, heavy. Let's see if we're gonna create some top wick here on price. If we're gonna retrace at least 5083 or 5082, I pay 5081, and we might have potential sell stop on the rebroke. So yeah. All right, makes sense, gang. Makes sense. What's up, Emmanuel? How you doing? Zambia from Zambia. Shout out to you, bro. Make sure you drop a like, subs to the channel. Welcome to the YouTube live stream. $5081 is gonna be yeah, so we can grab if we can use 53 pip stops Once we tap there and sell stop current candle, we need to top this 5081 at least. Oh, we re broke the lows now. Holy man, I don't. What trading model do you use? I use price action. Yeah, I always hear every single day. We took some sales here, gang. Let me know in the chat. I know some of you guys got some sales here. You are in 42 pips in profit right now. I know some of this guy made a profit here. Took some sales. It's a breakout sell. Right? It's a breakout sell. I know. I know. I know some of you are gonna take the sales. Holy. Yeah, I'm waiting for retracement too. Sing, are you doing a funder right now or are you doing your live account? Does your price action model align to ICT? ICT, I don't know ICT. ICT, yeah. Price action is more market condition, market structure, trend. It's all about how you're gonna play with the candles, how you're gonna read the candles. We're trading the candles. Raise, I believe. Raise, you got some. You took some sales here. I believe you took some sales. I know. I think yeah. I think she got some piece of pie today. I'm an AI student, bro, so I only take trades sometimes. Oh, nice. Okay, cool, cool. Ah, you still a student, Sing, huh? How old are you right now? Yeah, no trades. And that's the 30 minutes candle close. Oh, you're still young, bro. You're still young. You still have a lot of potential, you know. But the good thing here, you learn how to trade. You learn AI too. We top 5080, but not look good. We re broke the lows already. on the 15th. So yeah, we might retest again here at the top. No good. No good. Do you align your higher time? Yeah, I correlate 15:30 1 hour in the 4. So yeah, it's aligned. It's aligned. It's aligned. How do you arrive at your precision entry and your lower time frame? I always use 15 minutes time frame for my entry. And it's all about how the candles close. It's all about my pattern, the candle pattern and all and stuff. It's not just, if the candle are red, I'm selling, right? If the candle are green, I'm buying, right? Because you're probably the strategy. If the candle are green, you're selling. If the candle are red, you're buying. No. Do 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 do. I really love to trade live with you this New York session today. If you will be live, I have just joined this channel today. Oh, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not do live stream on the NY because too many streamers out there from US doing the same strategy with me. They're live every single day. So yeah, I don't live on the NY session. I only live New York right now. Thank you, Sing. Thank you, Riz. WW. What's your recommended lot size for trading euro on a $100 account? I mean, bro, you cannot trade $100 account. For me, if you want to start trading, you should um put a capital at least 500 to 1000 US dollar account, so you can learn how to manage risk, because $100 is just a full margin trade. Are you charging for mentor? I right now, thanks, bro. Check it out, bro. Are you charging for mentorship, or you are doing it for free? For I don't have any mentorship right now, but I only doing live stream every single day. This is probably the mentorship. Every single day mentorship, 1 hour to 2 hours a day, right? How you doing, boss? Boss Philip, how you doing? Long time, boss. How you feeling? It's free values, yes. True that. Mhm. Damn, the early rejection is so late. Look at that. London session, man. London session is whack. Is this business profitable compared to normal working from 8 to 5? Oh, what do you mean business? In trading, if you are new, you don't need to expect money. Right? In trading, if you are new, you don't need to expect money right away. Right? So we have different paces in trading. We have a learning pace and we have a earning pace. So if you are new into trading, make sure you learn the craft. Make sure you learn the skill. It's like you're going to the school, right? When you're going to the school, are you expecting profit? Are you expecting money? No, right? So it's the same how the trading works. Because the trading is different language that you need to learn. All right, you need to be patient, you need to be consistent, you need to have a discipline every single day. Showing up, learn the skill, and don't expect the money. Because the money will always follow when you have the right skill and the right discipline. All right, so yeah, earning pace, I'm gonna discuss with you when you are probably 1 year. You learn the craft already. Earning pace, earning pace is it's just an easy thing. But you need to learn how to be more disciplined, how to be more following your rules, following the plan. Do you have a Telegram group for us to learn more? Or is it just here on YouTube? I right now is just here on YouTube. If you wanna follow me on Instagram, you can check out, link is in description below. You can message me too if you have any questions. I'm gonna reply. No problem. So link is in description below if you wanna follow me on Instagram. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Do you only trade gold? I only trade gold, yes. Only trade gold. Only gold. Only gold. Only goldie. Do 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 do. Damn, 15 minutes is chopped today. What are the key things I need keep on focus on gold trading? Focus on your strategy. Focus on the strategy. And if you want to learn my strategy, you just need to hop on every single day on the stream. Man, you're gonna learn probably 3 to 6 months. Give yourself at least 3 to 6 months. Learn the craft, learn the strategy, and you're gonna be good. Doop, 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 doom, doom. Mm, mm. Do I need to observe time before price major movement when trading go? For now, you need to learn. You need to observe probably Asian session, London session, New York session. Those kind of particular time when the session open. So look at that. Look at how the candles are moving to the like to go up, to go down, the direction, and look at how the candles reacting on the support level, why the candles are reacting there, how the candles looks like, how the candle closure, because that really important when price action. During price action, you learn the strategy. So yeah. No problem, bro. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Chat. So yeah. No Benos today. We see some probably a volume here, but didn't give us opportunity to take a trade, and yeah. So right now I'm probably gonna wait. We're probably gonna wait here. So any closure probably below 4076 gonna be a good idea, good potential. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. A lot of value today. Good value, good wisdom today, gang. And yeah, probably gonna see you guys tomorrow. Gonna call it stream. Thank you, gang, for tuning into the live stream. Peace and love, everybody. W's all the way out. W's all the way out. Peace and love. I'm out here, gang. Enjoy the day, everybody. Cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Why you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy